So you guys must be wondering that in a Lenovo unboxing, why I'm holding an HP laptop. Stay tuned, you'll get to know. So this is my old machine and I've been using this laptop from past 7 years. I bought this when I was studying in college and now I'm an HR person. So I believe it's the right time to discard them, isn't it? So these are all the particulars that we got in the box and this bag, because I purchased it from a local store, so that's why I got this bag as well. This is the normal paperwork, setup guide, safety and warranty, no one cares. Right here is a Lenovo pen. So it doesn't have a Bluetooth, but it's powered with 4A battery. Let me just show this to you. Okay, so this is the thing which charges this pen, and the internet says it may last around 1 year or so. I checked this pen on Flipkart and it's cost around 6,000 rupees, but I'm doubtful it's even worth of that. But let's just take it, it's free. Then again, we have this charger brick. It says it's 65 watts and it has a Lenovo branding on it. I hope you can see that. Also, one thing that is worth appreciating, it has a Type-C pin. See, in Ryzen processor variant, you would be getting a barrel pin. I mean, the usual pin that we get with the laptops. So I was skeptical that whether I should show this back to you or not. But I decided to show it because it also comes with the laptop itself. It's a Lenovo bag, it has a good build. But again, I purchased from the local store, so it's free with this. You get added perks when you purchase with your nearby store. So this right here is a Lenovo laptop, Ideapad Flex 5. On the sides you can see it's really slim. It's from the back. And these are the ports. And this again is bottom. So to all those users who were calling it as plastic, it is not plastic at all. From here, from the lid, it's totally metal. And yes, this thing is plastic, but it's really high quality plastic. So be assured about this thing. Going to do the super famous one hand test. Here we go. Boom! It passes the one hand test already, and you can see it's already booted up. You must be wondering how. This is the major feature of this laptop. When you open the lid, it already boots up, and it just takes maybe 3 to 5 seconds, not more than that, I believe. So this right here is the laptop. I bought it just because it was a touchscreen laptop and I wanted to use it with this pen rather than using this trackpad. I know it may sound weird, but that's how I like. So I've been using this laptop from past 3 days, and for me it's amazingly and blazingly fast. I never found any lag or something. Let's just open the Chrome browser and boom, it's open. How fast a machine should be. So this laptop pens works really marvelous. I mean, if you have used Apple product before, then also it gonna work done. So this is how it goes. Okay, it's not connected to the internet, so maybe that's why this is asking for that. And please pardon my handwriting already, I need some practice. But yes, the pressure sensitive pen is really good. I never found any lag or something. This laptop comes with various versions, i3, i5, Ryzen 5, which is very famous. I mean, people were all buying those Ryzen 5 processor. But the reason I buy this i5 laptop is because my previous laptop was an Intel processor and it lasted for 7 years and still it was working till now. But then again, I purchased the laptop from Amazon that was Ryzen 5, and then I altogether cancelled it, and I bought this one from a local nearby store. It costed me around 67,000, plus I spent 800 more to extend the warranty. on and all you may say it's around 67,800 rupees. Let's just check the properties. It comes with an Intel 5 10th generation processor, 8 GB of RAM, and the window is activated. You get the Microsoft Office totally free. I just uninstalled the applications which I do not want, so I just kept these 3 because I do not use it. And this is how fast it is. You can see. Talking about the keyboard, this is the best keyboard I have ever used. To be very honest, I've used around 10 laptops in my lifespan, including my friends, my family members, my own, and whatsoever. And this is the best keyboard I found. Lenovo, pay attention to their keyboards. This right here is the fingerprint sensor. So talking about the trackpad, it's pretty much good. It's not glass actually, but it feels like it is glass. So that's a good thing. But you already have this pen, you do not need a trackpad at all. Why to jump with the trackpad and scroll the mouse when you can just click on the thing which you want to. Talking about the speakers so far so good. Obviously I can't make you test the audio because it's it would be recorded, but then again let me try playing Spotify in it. This is the speaker, this is the full volume. So the speakers are fine. It's front firing, it's so far so good. You do not need to attach an extra Bluetooth speaker with it, or maybe with the audio jack, because it does the needful. So now the USB of this laptop, you don't have to use it like this when you are not working. What you can do is boom, auto rotate on automatically. Now it's your tablet. Still don't like it? No problem at all. Here we go. Okay, but this way it's a bit heavy to use, but then again it's comfortable. So let me just try opening an Instagram. Those apps are not actually meant for this, but see how good it is. I'm already liking it. Back to the basics, and again it automatically turns off the tablet mode. Otherwise you can select it from here. These are the settings. This is where you get the notifications from. This right here is a tablet mode. Maybe you can't see it, but I expect you must be able to figure out. So that's all about this laptop so far. I mean, if you're planning to buy Lenovo Flex 5, you can go with the Ryzen version, but I told you I was skeptical about it, so I bought this one because I still have trust in Intel processors, and for me it's really fast. It's based on 10 nanometer, not on 14 nanometer. This is to be clarified, and it's amazingly fast for me. Also, they provided this cap with the pen. I mean, there is no such cap, but then again you can attach it here and you can block your ports, but that's your wish. Thanks for watching the video. We would be making a review after a month, but so far this is the best we have in the market as of now. And I would say try buying it from a local store, because if you buy it from a local store, you get the credibility and stability that then again when this stops performing, you can blame someone, you can ask someone to get it fixed, and that's what I have done. Thank you. Bye bye.